Good afternoon everyone. Tayo po ay nasa road trip ngayon. Going to Colon side. At we are having a great time. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa may tunnel, sa Western Tunnel. So, within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, ang kabuuan ng tunnel para makarating po tayo sa dulo. So, from Central, ay lalabas po tayo ng Colon City. Yeah, enjoy watching guys. Ay gagala going to Prince Edwards. And thank you for another opportunity from Sir Ricky Martinini all the time. Thank you. Love you. So now we are here at Colon City. Colon City na tayo guys. Tadadan! Wow! It's a beautiful day. The weather is very beautiful. So, iba po kasi yung kabilang side. Pag tayo nanggaling sa North Point, ay lalabas po tayo sa may Chimchachoy. Pero dito po ay Colon City. So, MTR. Right? So, yan po yun. Yan, elements. The other side. So, wave going to Mongko, Colon Bay. Ito po yung station dito sa kabilang side na to. It's a quite beautiful weather. I think bago po tayo makarating to Prince Edward is about 5 minutes. So, nandun na tayo. So, every time guys, kinukuhanan ko ng video yung other side. So, quite chong. Hong Kong. Look at that. So quite beautiful. Lai Chi Kok. Quite beautiful guys. See? Wow. Yung concrete ng mga building, architectures, napakagaling, napakaganda. Look at this. The Hong Kong Polytechnic University. This is the Polytechnic Hong Kong University. University guys, napakaganda po, napakalakit, napakaganda, napakaganda. Nabulol ako dun. Ay. So meron pong other way side going to Chimchachoy naman. So ito naman ay way to Mongkok. Yeah. So yung pong nakikita natin ahead that guys is what you call that is market. What you call that is wholesale market na siyan po nag-aangkat some of the vegetable, right? Fruits and fruits market. So sa Central meron din siyang wholesale naman is dry goods market. Alright, so traffic pa a little bit. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, dito po dapat magaling kayong mag ng mga roads or mga pagda-drive kasi if you don't know the place where you go, that is really a cheesy already. So dangerous, right? Yan. So ito po yung color ng taxi dito sa Hong Kong side is red color. We are continue ahead going to the Prince Edward. Medyo luma na yung mga bahay dito. Medyo hindi na masyadong maganda. Old building na. You can see most of all the building is here is old na. ito yung fruit market here sa side na to. Look. Oh, so pagka nagbinenta yan o binili ng government for doing something, quite expensive. Very expensive guys ang renta rito, lalo na pagka mover. Yun yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Asia Mars na mahal ang move pag move ka sa ibang bahay, at yung renta ng bahay dito ay medyo may kamahalan na din. So we are in Mongkok. So dito yata niya ako ibababa sa Mongkok, and then maglalakad na lang ako. So the Saturday kasi sometimes guys ay time ko para mag walk around sa mga area. So yeah, kaya dinaanan ako ni Ricky para dalhin dito sa Prince Edward para mag-ikot-ikot pa. So before, when you bring me and supposed to be in Prince Edward, I cannot go direct because I don't know the way how to walk. Kasi he asking me to go up to the bridge, but I don't know how to go to the bridge. Sayla. See, who is this? They are pokpok? Come on. From China guys. Pokpok daw yan guys dito. And also, maraming mga girl, mga babae dito na alam nyo na, yung short time. Ang kanilang target is yung mga old men. Yeah. To earn money. Hindi natin sila masisisi kasi mahal din kasi yung mga living sa Hong Kong. So kailangan nilang, yeah, I know. So yan po. And one more thing din dito sa Hong Kong, every corner ay meron po talagang part of smoking. So hindi ka pwedeng mag-smoke everywhere kung kay saan mo gusto. So you have to find the smoke area para doon ka mag-smoke. Kasi pagka hindi ka nag-smoke doon sa area na yon, 1,500 penalty.
Throw away cigarette end.
The penalty
2005.
2005. See, 2005 is a lot of money already. Come on. Yeah. Baby, did you take your lunch?
Okay. I drop you over there.
And then?
And then you walk inside, cross the street. Yeah.
Walk
Inside.
inside and then continue walking?
No, the one you okay. It's like this about the street. You cross the street a bit inside already there. You know.
Okay. Mamadali kasi si Ricky dahil pupunta siya sa Taipo to take lunch. Yun lang po yung chance niyang mag to gathering of the families to take lunch. Kaya sinabay na ako. Yun. Pag may sasakyan ka dito talagang napakabilis kaysa mag-take ka ng MTR. So
You see the bridge. You walk up the bridge inside.
just continue walking and then cross the bridge. No need me to go up to the bridge, ma.
If no traffic lights, you have to go up to the bridge.
Oh. And then the other side is already there.
It's about yeah.
Okay. So where I'm going to get down.
When we arrive the bridge there.
Okay. Hansingban. Pag walking kasi guys is very hard for me to remember Pero pag train, okay lang.
Let's close this one.
Okay, I'm ready. So right guys, nakababa na tayo doon kay Wiki sa car. So ngayon ay tatawid daw tayo ng Tulay para makarating tayo doon sa kabilang side. So yun po yung ating susundin. Tayo po ngayon ay nasa Mongkok. O take po tayo ng lift going to the other side there sa base. Mongkok Road. So ito po yung bridge niya. Doon po tayo nang galing. Yun po, doon tayo bumaba kanina. There. Doon tayo binaba ni Ricky kanina. So, ito yung bridge. Mongkok Station. Ang dami rito mga nagpapakuha ng mga pictures. See? Maganda kasi itong lugar na to para sa photoshoot. Kasi ang ganda ng area. So, dire-diretso lang tayo. Yun, most of the time here, guys, ang mga naka-standby dito, ng mga kikita natin is mga Indonesian. Why?
这么感觉，哎，艾米，这么感觉，我感觉那边就好。这样的，这样。